Arizona Daily Wildcat, Christina speaking.
Hey, look, it's Brittany.
Hi, I'm Brittany. Oh, why do I work for you?
Hi, I'm Brittany.
That's a great question. Well, I love editing stories. I love writing them too.
News editor, I'm doing it all.
Look.
She's in the
Why
paper.
I work here. By Brittany Media.
Wait, where?
Do you know your Pringles already collected?
Yeah, scarf this thing.
Scarf those down. Pringles are something you can't contain. Once you open those things, they're gone. It's one sitting and done.
Always watching Wazowski.
So, like,
There you go.
Wow.
photos, like, more or less? Is page 7 up, Joey?
No.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Are you guys eating?
It's just that Mr. Swimmer didn't give a fuck about it.
Can Poppy get either one of the basketball power stores and Sunset?
Yeah.
I just did it like.
Is that one okay?
They're checked in.
As an affiliate of the one.
We're gonna have to come up with another montage for the screensaver.
Yeah, I'm tired of it.
Like, I like bacon, but I can think of like a bunch of other things that I love as much as bacon. Like guacamole.
Taking that well.
Oh, he didn't even come in on Sunday. Because Matt was, dying of AIDS or the fuck it is. Yeah.
2 weeks, 3 weeks.
He hasn't come in at all. When I'm here, I'm like doing content and then I'll just like bounce. This is bullshit. Are we budgeting or not? Because if not, I'm just gonna go to class.
We usually don't start till 3:15. I have all my content in. Oh, fuck, I don't have a cartoon. I gotta leave a cartoon.
Stephanie, I still have your linguist book. Yeah. Did not have time for it. I was like failing by day 2.